Hello, and welcome to Not Boring English. Today's story is called My Daily Routine, and it is perfect for A1 level learners. Please pause the video anytime to practice speaking with the shadowing technique. It will help your pronunciation and fluency. If the story is too fast, you can change the playback speed in the settings to listen more slowly. My daily routine. My name is Anna, and I want to tell you about my day. I live in a small blue house with a white door. I live with my cat, Leo. Leo is very fluffy and orange. He is a good cat. Every day, my routine is simple, but I like it. My day starts early. The sun wakes me up. I do not like alarms. The sun is a natural alarm. I open my eyes at 6 in the morning. The first thing I see is Leo. He sleeps on a small rug next to my bed. He looks at me with his big, green eyes. He is hungry. I get out of bed. I stretch my arms and my legs. It feels good to stretch. I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is small and yellow. I like the color yellow. It is a happy color. I open the cupboard and get food for Leo. I put the food in his bowl. He eats very fast. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I smile when I hear him eat. Now it is my turn for breakfast. I am hungry too. I like to eat toast and an egg. I put bread in the toaster. While the bread is toasting, I cook one egg in a pan. I like my egg sunny side up. That means the yellow part is soft. I also make a cup of tea. I like black tea with a little milk and no sugar. I take my breakfast to the small table by the window. I sit and eat slowly. I look out the window. I see the big tree in my garden. Sometimes I see birds in the tree. They sing beautiful songs. It is a peaceful way to start my day. After breakfast, it is time to get ready for work. I work at a library. I love books. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. It is important to have clean teeth. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel awake. Then I choose my clothes. I have a simple wardrobe. Today, I wear a blue skirt and a white shirt. Blue and white are my favorite colors. I put on my shoes. They are comfortable black shoes. I need comfortable shoes because I walk a lot at the library. Before I leave, I say goodbye to Leo. I pet his head. He purrs. A purr is a happy cat sound. Be a good cat, Leo, I say. I lock the door and walk to the bus stop. The bus stop is not far from my house. It is a 5-minute walk. I wait for the bus. The number 7 bus takes me to the city center. I usually wait with other people. We do not talk much. We just wait and look at our phones or look at the street. The bus arrives at 7:30 a.m. I get on the bus and find a seat. I like to sit by the window. I watch the houses and shops go by. The bus ride is 20 minutes. I get off the bus near the library. The library is a big old building made of red brick. It is very beautiful. I start work at 8 a.m. My boss is Mr. Henderson. He is a kind man with white hair and glasses. He always says, "Good morning, Anna." I say, "Good morning, Mr. Henderson." My job is to put books back on the shelves. People return books at the front desk. I take the cart of books and find their correct places. It is like a puzzle. I need to know the alphabet and numbers. I enjoy it. It is quiet work. I walk through the tall shelves. I can smell the old paper of the books. It is a wonderful smell. For lunch, I have a break at 12 p.m. I eat my lunch in the staff room. I always pack my own lunch. Today, I have a sandwich and an apple. My sandwich has cheese and tomato. It is simple, but it is healthy. I eat with my co-workers. My friend at work is named Sarah. She is also a librarian. We talk about books and our weekend plans. The afternoon at work is also quiet. I help people find books. A little boy comes to me. He wants a book about dinosaurs. I show him the children's section. He is very happy when he finds a book with a big T-Rex on the cover. A young woman asks for a book about travel. I help her find a book about Italy. It makes me happy to help people. I finish work at 4 p.m. I say goodbye to Sarah and Mr. Henderson. I take the bus home. I feel a little tired, but it is a good kind of tired. I am happy with my day's work. When I get home, the first thing I hear is Leo. He meows loudly. Meow. He is happy to see me. I am happy to see him too. I give him a big hug. In the evening, I like to relax. First, I change my clothes. I put on comfortable pants and a soft sweater. Then, I make dinner. Dinner is usually simple. Tonight, I will have soup and bread. I like vegetable soup. It is warm and comforting. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Then, I have free time. Sometimes, I read a book. Of course, I love to read. I get many books from my library. Sometimes, I watch a movie on TV. Tonight, I will watch a funny movie. I like to laugh. Leo sits on my lap while I watch TV. He is warm and soft. I pet him, and he purrs. Around 9:30 p.m., I start to feel sleepy. It is time to get ready for bed. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth again. I change into my pajamas. My pajamas are light blue with little white clouds on them. I go to my bedroom. I make sure the window is a little open for fresh air. I get into bed. The bed is warm and cozy. Leo jumps onto his rug. He curls up in a little ball. I turn off the light. The room is dark and quiet. I close my eyes. I think about my day. It was a good day. It was a simple day. I am thankful for my little blue house, for my fluffy cat, and for my peaceful routine. Soon, I am fast asleep, ready for the sun to wake me up for another day. Comprehension questions. Now, I will ask a few questions to check your understanding of the story. Please write your answers in the comments below to practice your English writing. 1. What does Anna eat for breakfast? 2. Where does Anna work and what is her job? 3. What does Anna do in the evening to relax? Thank you for listening to today's story. I hope you enjoyed it. What is your favorite part of your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more English stories from Not Boring English.